What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
My 10-year-old son dropped the phone. He's not telling me the truth about what happened. He's saying he just tried to pull the screen and change the case, but obviously he dropped it.
Yeah.
So I had to bring it here to the #1 guy in Bridgeport to fix it.
Don't worry. I got you.
Appreciate it.
Oh my God, sir, this is water damage. I think he's lying to you.
Pretty sure he is, because it looked a little wet from the outside on the thing.
Wow.
He's probably spilled a cup over or something.
Face ID is broken too. We're gonna put new one. Your phone is ready, sir. Now it's good to go.
Wow, thank you, man. That was real quick.
You're welcome.
I'll definitely be back for the next time. Appreciate it.
No problem.